Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make fruit salad with custard powder. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need a variety of fresh fruits, about 2 tablespoons of custard powder, half a liter of milk, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. Make sure your fruits are washed and chopped. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and delicious dessert, bringing a creamy texture to your favorite fruits. Now, let's prepare the custard. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of custard powder with a splash of cold milk to form a smooth paste. Meanwhile, heat the remaining milk in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer. Stir in 4 tablespoons of sugar until dissolved. Then, gradually add the custard paste to the hot milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Continue cooking the custard over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly. You'll notice it thickening to a lovely, creamy consistency. Once it reaches your desired thickness, remove it from the heat. It's crucial to let the custard cool completely before mixing it with the fruit. Cover it with plastic wrap directly on the surface to avoid a skin forming. Finally, it's time to assemble your delightful fruit salad. Ensure all your fruits are chopped into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Once the custard is completely cool, gently fold it into the prepared fruit. Mix everything thoroughly so every piece of fruit is coated. For the best flavor and texture, chill your fruit salad in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving. Enjoy this easy and creamy treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.